In this video, we'll learn some common travel phrases that will help you get around in any German-speaking country. Whether you're asking for directions or buying tickets, these phrases are super useful. Let's start with one of the most important phrases, Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof? Which means, how do I get to the train station? If you're looking for help, you can ask, Könnten Sie mir bitte helfen? Could you please help me? If you're at a restaurant or cafe and need assistance, say, Entschuldigung, wo ist die Toilette? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? If you want to know if someone speaks English, you can say, Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? When you're at a shop or market and want to know the price, ask, Wie viel kostet das? How much does this cost? Finally, when you want to ask about your location, Wo bin ich? Where am I? Will come in handy. Now go ahead and write few German words you learnt in comment section. Now you've got some essential travel phrases in German. Practice them when you travel, and you'll be able to navigate easily through any German-speaking country. Now go ahead and write few German words you learnt in comment section. Safe travels and viel Spaß! Have fun!